Happy birthday, Adrian.
Happy birthday, Adrian.
Oh, Plag, get that filthy piece of camembert out of my face!
Marinette, don't forget to clean your room after school today.
Mom, it's Friday and I'm already doing something with Alia.
Fine. I'll go ahead and clean it, but don't blame me if I come across any of your private stuff, like your emails, your diary.
Okay, I'll do it.
Have a nice day, sweetie.
Happy birthday. Have a nice day.
Your schedule, Adrian?
Thanks, Natalie. Hey, my father get back to you about my birthday party?
Well, he doesn't think it would be a good idea.
Of course not.
Happy birthday, Adrian.
Dude, seriously? Has your dad always been such a downer? You think he'd at least remember what it was like to be young and want to party a little?
No, I'm pretty sure he was a downer back then, too. Well, at least I tried.
It's your B-day, dude! Insist!
You can do it. You can do it.
I can do it. I can do it.
You know what? I'm gonna have a little convo with your pops.
Don't waste your time. He's not gonna change his mind.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
No, you don't, girl. You've been stalling all morning. Now's the time.
Hey.
Wait, am I seeing what I think I'm seeing? Don't tell me it's Adrian's birthday. Ugh, do I have to do everything myself? Seriously, what are you good for? I wanted to, gift you a make. Gift you a gift I made. Out of the way. Happy birthday, Adrian.
Yeah, thanks, Chloe.
Dummy. Did you get the gift I sent you?
No.
What? Oh, those delivery guys. I bet it was too heavy, so they had to go back and get another guy to help. Those slackers. I'll make sure they get it to you by tonight.
Get back there. Don't be a pushover. Literally.
What did you get him? I didn't. You did. And it better be amazing, and it better not be late.
Come on, you can do it.
Gotta go. Photo shoot.
Why can't I just mean what I say?
Say what you mean?
Exactly.
Looks like I've got some business to take care of with Adrian's old man.
This mailbox won't budge.
Ring the doorbell.
Are you kidding? What if Adrian answers the...
Yes?
Hi, I'm in Adrian's class and did I already say that?
Put it in the box.
Thank you. Oh, I hope he likes it.
You signed the note, right?
Huh?
Girl.
Who was that, Natalie?
A friend of Adrian's. She was delivering a gift for his birthday.
Did you remember to buy him a present from me?
But you didn't ask me to.
Of course I did!
Yes, Mr. Gress. I'll take care of it.
Good.
Yes?
Hi?
He'll be here in a minute.
Adrian's not home yet.
I was coming to see you, sir?
Me?
Yeah, that's right. Look, I know you don't want Adrian to have a party, but it's his birthday, dude. Sir, it's all he wants.
No, that's final.
That's messed up. He never screws up in class. He always does whatever you tell him. Photo shoots, fencing, Chinese, piano.
Nino, you're here.
Anything from my best bud. Show some awesomeness, dude. Sir, please.
Forget it, Nino. Really, it's fine.
Listen, young man. I decide what's best for my son. In fact, I've just decided you're a bad influence and you're not welcome in my house ever again. Leave now!
Father, he was just trying to do something cool for me.
Goodbye.
Nina, wait! I'm sorry, my father, he's pretty stubborn. It's just best to stay out of his way.
It's not fair, Adrian. Harsh. I'm cool.
Thanks anyway, Nino.
But Daddy, please!
No, it's not playtime. You've got your chores to do.
Adults ruin everything all the time.
Desperate to help his friend, but feeling powerless. How frustrating. It won't be long before frustration turns to anger. Fly away, my little Akuma, and evilize him. Hawkmoth is my name, and Bubbler is now yours. I will help you with these horrid adults, and all you have to do in return is help me get something from Ladybug and Cat Noir.
Yes, Hawkmoth. No more adults means total freedom! This is so sweet! Off the hook!
Look out!
Perfect.
Adrian must have gotten his gift by now.
What's that you said?
I can't wait to get back to school this afternoon. Dad! Your parents! Hawkmoth must have released another Akuma. I've got to find his newest villain ASAP. Tiki Spots On!
And now, party time! Hey, today's your lucky day, little dudes. The adults are taking the day off, so make the most of it. No chores, no homework, no more nagging. Just fun, 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 fun. This is the Bubbler's gift to you.
Don't worry, your parents will come back. I'll see to it. You take care of them in the meantime.
Yay! Go Ladybug!
Wow, that was a birthday lunch break to remember. Yay. Natalie? Father?
Yay! Happy birthday! Hey, birthday boy! Guess what? Daddy's gone. While the cat's away, the mice will play.
Nino?
The Bubblers brought all your homies together for one single sole purpose: to celebrate! Yeah! Let's get this party started! Come on, everybody! I brought you here to party! So dance, or else you'll join the adults up in the sky!
It won't be long before Ladybug and Cat Noir show up to meet their doom.
What's your problem? Relax. You're getting the party you always wanted.
But Nino's been akumatized. I've got to help him.
You may never get this chance again. Come on, let's have a little fun while your father's away. Then we'll save Nino, trap his Akuma, and all will be good.
Okay, you're right. This might be the first day in my life that I actually get to do what I want for once.
It's you and me, Bubbler. Ha!
Yeah! Hey, nice party, I guess, since it's my first one.
requesting a slow dance?
It's a bit early for that, isn't it?
For Adrian, his first slow dance.
Oh, you know it, girl.
Is it me, or does everyone seem a bit weird?
Forget about them. Let's go dance. Come on. There is no way this is happening. Lucky Charm! A record?
Dude, who just hijacked my mix?
Yours truly. Yeah! Better bug out quick before I change back to normal. Hup. Spots off. Marinette! It was an emergency.
Yeah, if by emergency you mean jealousy. You know what happens once you use your lucky charm. You only have minutes before...
I turn back, I know, but I figured the bubbler, he's not going anywhere. We have time to get you some food to get your energy back up. Then we'll get right back out there. I promise. I've got to find a place where I can transform fast.
Where have you been, girl? I was so scared something had happened to you.
Me too.
I'm sure Ladybug and Cat Noir will show up in a minute to save us all. They never failed us. Meanwhile, come with me. I've got something for you.
There's something I have to do first.
It's about Adrian.
Okay.
Marinette, the bubbler.
Okay, in a sec.
Look. Now you can sign your gift.
Yes!
Hey, you! Why aren't you having fun?
None of your business.
Then I'm gonna make it my business.
Love, Marinette. There.
Right, we're good. Spots on, Marinette.
I can't do it now. Ollie is here.
What'd you say?
Go ahead. I'll meet you in the yard. No! You were right, Tiki. I never should have waited this long.
Hey, Paris, how you doing? Ladybug?
Sorry, Bubbler, but the party's over.
Why you gotta be like that?
You made all the adults disappear, that's why. And now you're imprisoning anyone who isn't having fun.
You will not bust up my party!
I think I've been a complete idiot. Plat! Claws out! Looks like I made it just in time.
I had it under control. But thanks.
Get there, Miraculouses. I want those powers now!
Give me your Miraculouses before you run out of air.
Dream on, Bubbler.
Total party poopers, just like adults.
Kids need adults.
False! Kids need freedom, fun, let loose and live it up. Adults are controlling and bossy.
But adults keep children safe and protected. They care for their kids. They love them.
Most adults do anyhow. You must bring the adults back!
Nope, never. Know what? Since you care about these adults so much, why don't you go float with them for a while?
What do you think you're doing, Bubbler? You're supposed to seize their Miraculouses!
Cataclysm!
Couldn't you have said that 500 feet ago?
We can't stay stuck in this bubble together forever.
Cataclysm!
Should we see if you land on your feet this time?
Oh, thanks!
Your stick! There!
Got it!
Hang on!
Good thing cats aren't afraid of heights.
We've got to get to his bubble sword. That's gotta be where the Akuma is.
We better hurry.
Where is everybody? Get out here and party!
Sorry to burst your bubble. Ladybug! 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 No one wants to party with you anymore, Bubbler.
What's wrong with all you guys? Why you gotta be such haters?
No!
Outer space is the next stop for your precious peeps, and they're never coming back!
I'm gonna switch back soon! Hurry!
Lucky Charm!
Your plumbing skills gonna help us out? Could use a little work. Is that all you got?
Got it! Cat Noir, cover me!
Go on!
Get out of here, you nasty bug! No more evil doing for you, little Akuma. Time to de-evilize! Gotcha! Bye-bye, little butterfly. Miraculous Ladybug!
Who? Dude.
Pound it!
You can't run forever, Ladybug. And when I catch you, I will crush you. I will destroy you both! Natalie, did my son like his gift?
Actually, I was going to check right away, sir.
Good.
Oh. Whew. A birthday present from your father.
Thank you. I mean, please say thank you to my father for me.
What do you mean, not for a week? There were no adults yesterday to deliver it. So what? Ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous.
Serves Chloe right.
Hey, girls.
Hey, that's my scarf! He's wearing my scarf!
Hey, dude.
Yo, nice scarf, Adrian. Off the chain.
Yeah, can you believe my dad got this for me? It's so awesome. He's given me the same lame pen for 3 years in a row.
Wow, I guess anyone can change. Adults can be cool when you least expect it.
Speaking of adults, I know my father said you were a bad influence, but...
We're good, Adrian. Don't sweat it. We're buds. Always and forever.
You gotta tell him you're the one who knitted the scarf.
But he seems so happy about his dad. I don't want to spoil it for him.
Aw, Marinette. You're amazing, girl. You know that, right? And someday Adrian will figure it out, too. Promise.